We're going to make this lovely, delicious Biscoff mug cake right here on That Wednesday Place. Let's have a look at the ingredients we're going to need. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1 tablespoon of Biscoff or cookie butter of your choice, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of milk. Now, get your mug ready. Make sure it can go in the microwave. Add your flour, sugar. So we're going to add all of the dry ingredients first. Baking powder, and the cocoa powder. Now we're going to give that all a good mix it well. Now we're going to add the wet ingredients. So we have oil and the milk. You can use whatever milk you want. I used almond milk. You can use your favorite milk in this recipe. Now give it a good stir. Make sure that there's none of the flour is stuck to the bottom of the mug. And once you have it really well mixed, now is the time that we're going to take our Biscoff So we're going to take 1 tablespoon of Biscoff and add it right into the middle. When you're putting your Biscoff in, you don't need to mix it in. Just leave it right in the middle at the top. Now it's time to bring your mug to your microwave. So you're going to microwave for 1 minute, okay? So put it in your microwave for 1 minute. And when you take it out, you have this delicious mug cake. Wow. So moist, so fluffy, and most importantly, so delicious. Look, there you can see the Biscoff right in there. That cookie butter makes it taste so good. I really enjoyed this one. So if you want to see more recipes like this, you can come back here every Wednesday. Now, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.